Hello and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer your USDT from Binance to Bybit. First of all, log into your Binance account, then hover this wallet icon on the top right corner and go to the spot account. You need to find USDT in the cryptocurrency list and you need to hover these three dots on the right side. Then go to the withdraw page and we need to select the network. I suggest you to use BIP20 network because it has got lowest fees. As you can see, 0.33 fixed fee. Now we need to enter the wallet address from Bybit. So let's go to Bybit, log into your account, then go to your assets, funding account. And in the list, you need to find USDT. We need to click deposit. So we are choosing the BIP20 network, Binance Smart Chain network. And we need to copy this wallet address. Then let's get back to Binance and paste the wallet address right here. So let's select BIP20. Let's enter the amount of USDT we're going to send, for example, 12.5. And as you can see, there will be fixed 0.33 USDT fee. Let's click withdraw button. Let's confirm. And we need to verify the transaction. Click OK. So guys, we sent our USDT to Bybit, and in a few minutes I will refresh my Bybit page and I'll show you the confirmation. So as you can see guys, in a few minutes I received my USDT on my Bybit. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.